welcome back to Task Tuesdays. My name is Kristen Seaholm, owner of the KS Experience, venue consultant, industry resource, and community builder. So far on Task Tuesdays, we have tackled how to create and innovate your way to success by incorporating useful tools such as mind mapping, SMART goals, and the 3-box solution. If you've missed any of these and want to play a little bit of catch up, you can find those videos on my IGTV or YouTube. But for today, we're going to take it one step further and learn about how we can now collaborate our way to success. Collaboration may seem like an obvious way to find success, especially in the world of events where collaboration is vital to our existence. However, to make collaboration a pillar of your business, to unlock the power that collaboration holds, that takes more effort than one might think. It takes time and truly intentional effort to highlight collaboration in a way that can support your business and push you to the front of people's foresight. And this will prove helpful whether you are a venue manager, event planner, photographer, florist, and so on. This literally has no boundaries for who it can benefit. So if you haven't already, go ahead and grab a piece of paper, pen, and a couple of markers, and we can jump right in. For today's lesson, I want you to make 2 big boxes on your paper with 2 different colored markers. Box 1 will represent existing relationships that you would like to foster further, while box 2 will be for those that you would like to begin fostering. The goal here is to make a visual list of those collaborative partners that you would like to manifest working with more so that you can finally get it out of your head and begin holding yourself accountable on actually doing so. Now, in box 1, begin jotting down those collaborative partners that you are already in contact with on a regular basis. But be sure to leave a bit of room between each one so that we can expand on those collaborations. Once you have your list, I want you to take some time looking at each name, thinking about why you are connected with that person, why you like collaborating with them. Start thinking about all the amazing qualities they bring to the table and why they are so successful in their own business. Now, start thinking about your own business again and what you may be missing that that person might be able to offer. Essentially, are there any additional opportunities for collaborating that you may have missed previously? Then, monetarily, is this something you can pay for their services? Or could this take place through some sort of trade or friendly volunteer support? Or maybe it's a completely new business venture that you two could embark on together. The point is, we all want to find ways to create more success for ourselves, but most times we don't realize that collaboration can be that key to more success. Finding those driven, passionate, like-minded people that we love to work with at events could make the perfect opportunity for more success behind the scenes as well. Now, I want you to really spend some time here, but also remember, quality over quantity. You don't want the longest list known to mankind. You want to create opportunities and hold yourself accountable on achieving them. So ensure that your list is manageable and realistic in being able to follow up on. Give each person on your list the time they deserve when working through this and seeing how you two could mutually benefit from additional collaboration. Now go ahead and pause this video while you work on that list, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, pretty cool, right? I bet you learned a lot of ways on how you can push the envelope of collaboration with your counterparts that didn't seem so obvious before. Now, for the time being, we're going to go ahead and put box 1 on hold while we work on filling out box 2. The second box is for those future collaborations that you wish to further invest in. These could be people that you've only met once or twice before, or perhaps you've even worked with them a couple of times in the past. Maybe you run in some of the same circles, but still don't know each other all that well yet. This list should be a little harder to create since you probably don't know them as well. You're then going to follow the same steps as you did in box 1 and jot down all the ways you think you two could collaborate further and what you can bring to the table for them as well. Always remember that collaboration is a two-way street. It takes a village, and we are always in this together. So if you don't have anything to bring to the table, that technically isn't a collaboration, and you're going to want to reevaluate that scenario. All right, while you work on this list, go ahead and pause the video one more time, and we can reconvene when you're done. So, how did that feel? Do you feel inspired by all the many opportunities that you've just created? Now, we're almost there, but not done quite yet. Now that you have your two lists, it's time to start creating a timetable that you can begin holding yourself accountable. For box 1, I want you to look at your calendar and over the next 7 days, add reminders to proactively reach out to each one of your contacts and start discussing these new ideas. Depending on the comfort level of your relationship, you may want to reach out via text or email, and then set up a time to connect on a call, Zoom, or if you can in person, to begin discussing your newfound ideas and start making them a reality. I guarantee that your contact will be completely honored that you have thought of them and want to celebrate their successes with new collaborations. It's a total compliment and should be celebrated. For box 2, this is going to take a little more work. Take a look at your calendar again, but this time plan your reminders over the next 30 days. This way, you can tackle your existing contacts first and get more comfortable with the overall process. And it will then also allow you more time to get to know your second list further by making sure you are following and engaging with them on Instagram, connecting on LinkedIn, and really doing your homework or due diligence when wanting to step things up to the next level in collaboration. As you can see, this process isn't meant to necessarily be a quick fix, but it is meant to make you think harder of the circles you're already running in and how you can create more success utilizing the relationships you already have. Then, who knows what doors will continue to open from there? One of my all-time favorite things about collaboration is that it is ever evolving. Inevitably, it will lead to better, stronger relationships and most likely lead to additional introductions as well. So take a chance, be the collaborative partner you've always set out to be, and find new ways to collaborate your way to success. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please do feel free to share in the comments, and for those that would like to level up, send me a message and let's see how we can collaborate further and help bring you all the success you seek. Until next time, have a great rest of your day and talk soon.